people in South India cook vegetable of tender jackfruit. It is a fruit, but you can make a vegetable. Okay. I will before you cut the jackfruit, tender jackfruit, you apply the knife with little coconut oil or whatever cooking oil and cut the edge of it, because there's some sticky liquid that comes out, it has to drain. So preferably you keep a paper under this. Allow all this to come out, so you keep it for say 15 minutes aside. So allow it to drain for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, you get the things ready, the masala for this. You get the masala ready because it takes time to cook the vegetable. I'll keep it slanting against a board so that all the liquid drains out. I guess all this juicy gummy juice has flown out of the fruit. Okay, now it's ready. I should pre-cook it in the cooker. Water in the cooker and put little oil, 1 teaspoon, so that your vessel doesn't get gummy. Okay, just do it. Okay. 1 whistle, 2 whistles, then simmer. Okay. Keep for 10 minutes. Put it off till it cools by itself. Now keep it to steam. After the first whistle, I will reduce it. 2 whistles. Right place. Till 2 whistles, I kept it in the cooker. Now, the timing of 2 whistles, I don't know. High flame. After 2 whistles, reduce the flame and keep for next 10 minutes. Flame off and let it be in the cooker till the steam comes down by itself. Then it is done. So totally it's a question of 12 minutes, 12-13 minutes. This is the way you clean. It's very easy, you know. Then scooping. Okay. Then take out this middle ring. Comes out very easily, you know, because the right amount of time I kept it in the series. If it is tender, you can use it, but I don't prefer to use it. Okay, then I smash it. So you can do all the pieces like that. I am not necessary to show in the video. This one piece. Try not to take out the fleshy part much, you know, just you have to have a knack in taking out. have to use hand to mash it, because I can feel it, It cannot be done in the mixie either. Okay. And because this shreds have to be, shreds taste nice. Just like, okay. As you have seen now, this is 1.5 teaspoon of red masala. You can follow my next video. I will teach you how to prepare this masala because it has some little onions, some little coconut fried garam masala in that. This is a East Indian masala. Okay, this you put. Then this is, I've shown you how much of turmeric to use. This is a half teaspoon. Then this is the garam masala. Okay. I have kept this cumin seeds to be put it in the seasoning. Okay. For the seasoning, I do have onions cut, 2 onions and 1 tomato. Okay. To mix it, and I have to put some salt. Then put chopped coriander, leafy coriander. Before seasoning, you have to mix this. I'll put salt and keep it aside till your onions get seasoned. Salt, say a teaspoon of salt because this vegetable requires a little bit extra. Okay, I put 2 drops of olive oil, just like garnishing, sort of it gets marinated. Little oil. I'm very health conscious, so I don't use much oil. Enough for just frying the onions. Let it be translucent. Fry it. Okay? Don't burn the onions. I can put ginger garlic paste now. Okay, fry it with onion. And keep stirring it and simmer it because it's pre-cooked. I love this vegetable. And especially it tastes good with millet bread. Like jawar or ragi bread. And it's wheat. Now simmer it. Simmer. Okay, you can put the flame off and just keep it for another 5 minutes. Okay, you can again garnish it with coriander. It cooks even after the flame is put off because it has heat within itself. It cooks. So it's just question of, it remains hot. 5 minutes you keep, then you can ready for serving. So today I have for lunch tomato rice, I have mint dip and jackfruit vegetable.